Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Day starts with a coffee, ends with a wine taste. Forever give
Is it demo better with the door open or closed? Either one, my bolt is just tanking right now. I can't really turn up on it like I need to. Last time you got it was the EM sub, and those are 95.
Awesome.
Wow. It'll move. Good job. No classic roof.
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system he showcased at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. Really impressive to see him fit this many 10-inch subwoofers in a fourth order inside of a Jeep. This was the thumbnail of the previous video when he had EM audio subs. Now he has 9 of the DD Audio 10-inch 9500 series subwoofers and on 3 DD Audio M5 amplifiers. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. I didn't get a full spec rundown or equipment of this, sorry. I was at the show. It was really loud. There's a lot of copyright and music blaring everywhere, but I got to share it for y'all. I like the layout of his front loading wall port. It is a see-through panel. Looks around 1.5 inch to 2 inch thick plexiglass with the Team Deadly Hurts logo, because that's what team he's on. The amplifiers in the back, I don't know if they are wired at 1 ohm or half ohm. I'm going to assume they're at 1 ohm each. He did have some electrical issues during the show. His voltage was dropping down low. You'll see during the demo. So we got a quick demo. I got a good hair trick demo, as well as both doors open with 3 different songs for y'all to enjoy in this system today. So appreciate y'all watching my daily videos every day. Sorry I can't share any specs. I recommend you checking out that previous video, link in the description after this demo, so you can kind of see how far he's come the last few years, and give him a like. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos coming on the channel every day on YouTube, Jacob Viral, and enjoy this impressive demo from 9 10-inch subwoofers.
she forgets. Thinking herself a really make myself a boss and boss in a bag. Either way you put it, nigga, I'm real. Triple shoot, nigga, straight out the hood. Make a soda, water splash and scale. Smoking my regular pot in my lip. Leaning over to the side. I want me a full way to a nine. The dirty, the money is homicide. My recipe can be televised. Y'all nigga move that dope. Y'all nigga move that dope. Make move that dope. Make move that dope. Y'all nigga move that dope. Y'all nigga move that dope.
I can't imagine full tilt. Hey, I appreciate it, man. Thank you for showing me. Have a good day. Yes, sir. You too. Sorry, excuse me.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeAVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.